All right, welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. Today I'm in Rudolph, Wisconsin, on Donner, on Blitzen. Oh, I'm sorry, wrong Rudolph. At Josiah Brandts' greenhouse. Here's Josiah.
Hey guys.
And I wanted to show you the outside of the greenhouse that he hand built this all himself. A lot of hard work went into this grow.
Had a little bit of help from my brothers, but for the majority, I did it. But I do get help along the way.
And I'm announcing Bubba's Pleasure Patch Tour. We're going to kick off the 2019 season a little bit early, and today's my first tour. I will be touring across the country and possibly into Canada, different patches all next season. I'll be to the Smoky Mountains, to Chris Kent's, and on, so please join us. But here today, we're at Josiah's awesome hand-built greenhouse.
Keep in mind, it's late, it's September, so it's a little bit dirty now, and then you got weeds growing. So just bear with me.
Go ahead, take the reins here, Josiah, and walk us through your...
Here we got one of the 2095 Brandts. This is the seed that I took, the pumpkin that I took to California last year, and one over in Elk Grove. This is a smaller fruit on that particular seed. It's taping low 400s. I predict this fruit will will reach 2,000 pounds. It's only 400 inches right now, but she's still growing, and it's a boulder, so...
I'll try to get a better angle of it here.
I'm hoping
here you
for
go.
2,000 on
Here's
that.
a better angle of it, people.
Yeah.
One thing Josiah does is he has his leaves really close up to the fruit, which makes them look smaller than people that cut them far back like I do. So
that's another 2095 over here. This one's a bit bigger. It's right around 450 inches in that range, plus or minus. It's going to depend who measures it. This one has a lot more cantalouping, so I got a lot of fans set up on it, trying to heal the cantaloupe and dry it out. Once you get cantalouping on top of cantalouping, that's when you get rot. Like this cantalouping right here is crossing over top existing cantalouping. I got to be very careful with these splits. Keep them dry, keep them, get the moisture off of them. Otherwise, I could get rot and lose this fruit late in the game.
Look how wide this beast is. We took a picture with a shovel, a dirt shovel. The pictures just don't do them justice. These are monsters. These are no tiny bubbles. These are giant boulders.
Over here we got the 2145 McMullen. This is the seed that grew the world record. And this one's not going to be a world record, but it's still a very, very big fruit. Right now, from stem to blossom, this fruit is about 7 feet long, and it's fairly wide as well. This plant I have lights over, trying to do something different this year, see if I can help photosynthesis late in the game with LED lights. And it's hard to tell if it's working or not. We'll see once the fruit hits the scales. This is going to be a toss-up between which fruit, but that one might go heavier.
You say you have been using Mark's Special Tea on it?
Yep, I used 7 gallons of Mark's Special Tea over top the green. These 3 plants this year. If I lost 2 plants here originally, if these 2 plants stayed, I probably would end up using 10 to 12 gallons of Mark's Tea. I use it after flowering. So from day 1 of fruit set, I'm using it all the way to the end of the season. Every single watering, every single day. I use about 4 to 6 ounces per drench. So each plant's getting 4 to 6 ounces per day, roughly.
And that helps with your nutrient uptake, with your humic.
Uptake, it's I really like it because you got the amino acids. I like the macro in it because you got the 5 in potassium. I believe it's 235.
Yes.
But you got higher potassium, so I really like just a little bit higher potassium. It just helps the fruit go. You got the nitrogen and phosphorus there to help with foliar health, to keep your plants healthy. But it works well for me, and I'm going to continue using it. I used it last year in my 2095, and that's when I really fell in love with it. So.
Well, great. Thank you for the endorsement, and I want to show them a little quick picture. This thing here is a wide beast, and like I say, the cameras don't do them justice. That pumpkin's, it's huge. It's not real tall, but it's wide. I think it will be, but being here in person, that one thumps like a boulder. This one's a little lighter thump. I think it's going to be close. I think they're going to be neck and neck because this one is like 10 inches bigger in OTT measurements. But anyways, I'd like to thank you today for your tour, and thank you for being the first stop on Bubba's 2019 Bubba's Pleasure Patch Tour. Please join us in 2019. Membership opens December 1st at WorldwideGiantGrowers.com and Mark's Mixes. We'll talk to you soon.